Hi everyone, today I will show you how to book your move online with Zip Moving and Storage Moving Company. So first we'll start by searching for Zip Moving and Storage in the search bar. I'm from Maryland, so I will just type in Zip Moving and Storage Maryland. Perfect, there's Atlanta as well. If you're from Atlanta, you can do the same thing, just choose Atlanta. There is quite a few results, but the safest bet is always to go with the first one, so that's what I'll do. Perfect. So here on the home page, this little box here on the right hand side is how you'll get your free moving quote. So this is a moving calculator, moving cost calculator that we'll simply fill it out with our information, and we'll have our online account created and also get your free estimated price of your move. So let's start by putting a zip code. So zip code from where we are moving from to where we are moving to. Perfect. All right, so you can pick type of service, long distance or local move, if you need only help with loading your items or unloading them. I will choose the local move. Also here now you have you can pick if you're moving a 4-bedroom or bigger place. Also they do office or commercial moves, and I'll choose a studio. All right, and here you can pick your desired move date, which I can be March 3rd. All right, when you're all set, click next. Okay, how did you hear about us? This is a type of survey they're probably doing. I will choose Google. I read pretty awesome reviews. Okay, and this is the last step. You put in your final information. All right. Okay. Email, name, phone number, pretty simple. Okay. Perfect. Just double check if everything is correct. Awesome. And then we submit it. Perfect. So it says your request has been sent. Check your inbox. So next thing you need to do is just go into your email, and in a couple minutes there will be a confirmation email. So please note, to access your online account you don't need a username or a password. Simply, well, perfect, here it is. There will be a link in this email, and that's how you will access your account. Whenever you need to go back, just go into your inbox and click this link, view your account. Perfect. And that's where we'll go. Perfect. Okay, so here there's a little instruction guide on how to use it, but I will tell you all about it. Click on view your request. Perfect. So this is here your online account. This is your information here, and when we go down, this is a move overview. So here, moving size, studio, that's right. And then this is the estimated price right here. Okay, this is just an estimated price, how much your move will cost, but after adding the inventory and uploading your details, you will have more accurate price of your move. So here on the left hand side, we will update the inventory, our move details. If there's any photos of your items, of the furniture you would like to upload, feel free so. And this is our moving consultant, David Novak. That's our assigned moving consultant. We can contact him anytime. You can send him an email message, give him a call. Okay, perfect. So we'll start by updating our inventory. It is very easy to update the inventory. You can always take out items that you don't want or add more inventory as you like. So here there's a whole bunch of things, tables, toys, cabinets, anything you can possibly have in your house you can find here. Maybe we'll start with the living room. I'll add a few things. Alright, perfect. So we'll add a bookcase. Perfect. As I clicked add item here, as you see there's a minus and a plus. If I like to subtract this item, you don't want this item anymore, you can simply click on a minus. Or if you like to add 2, simply click a plus, and here you will have total items that you put in your inventory so far. I will go down, put 1 artificial plant, 1 TV. Perfect. And a love seat. So there's pretty much everything you can possibly have in your home. You can click on, you have office, dining room, storage basement. So next we'll click into the perfect, and here is everything that you could possibly have in your dining room. If you cannot find something, you can always type it in a search bar. I can put as dining chair just to show you. Oh, perfect. So here you can put the width, the height of the chair. It tells you exactly. You can choose here. Whatever you'd like. We have family room, other, bedroom. Maybe we'll add a bed and a rocking chair. So when you're done putting all the inventory, you simply click Save Inventory. You can go back into that anytime, add more inventory, or take away anything you don't want anymore. And as it says here, we will update code based on your inventory. So our price changed since we updated the inventory. Okay, here, so now it's from 500 to 625. That's the estimated price that my move will cost. Next, now update details. Okay, here is the place where you're moving from, and this is your final destination place you're moving to. Distance from door to parking, you can just put an approximate distance. I'll put 10 feet, and it is always great to know, to let the movers know if there's a street parking, if you have your own parking. So here I have street parking, that's what I'll put. It is easier for them to know how to access your home. Here I can put 15 feet and parking, private driveway. Perfect. In additional comments down here, you can include any type of information about any heavy items or very fragile items you own, if you need extra care with certain things, anything you possibly have, any type of instructions or comments, you can add here, and your moving specialist will let the movers know. Perfect. So when you're done putting all your details, save move details. Here, if you have any photos to upload, you can just upload them from your phone or your laptop, your computer. It is very easy. All right. Click back to move overview when you're done with that. All right, and here are the packing services. So you can choose to do your own packing, or Zipping My Storage offers partial pack or full packing services. I will choose partial pack. Perfect. So down here now, as you can see, packing appeared here, and estimated prices of our packing will be $30. That is fine. And now our estimated quote changed to $530 to $655. All right, always check your price here. This is the more accurate you are. If you need packing, the most accurate you are with your inventory, the more accurate your estimated price will be. Everything you put in as your details is right here, and down here is your inventory. You can always check everything if everything is there, if you want to add anything extra. And all the way up here you need to put in the address you're moving from and to where you're moving to. So we'll click on that. This is where you're moving from. Simply put in the address. Oops. All right, this is a ground floor. They give you, if you're on the second floor, fourth floor, fifth floor, it is important for the movers to know. And this is the zip code, perfect. And where I'm moving to. Street, and that will be on the third floor, apartment 301. Update. Awesome. So you have pretty much everything updated. Let's just go over it one more time. You have everything here, the address you're moving from to where you're moving to, move size. It is a studio apartment. You can see everything right here. The packing services I chose is the partial pack, and here the estimated price for the packing services. This is our full estimate price for our entire move. This is the details you updated over here, and the inventory. If you wish to update anything else, you can always click at one of these boxes here on the left hand side to update everything. Other than that, once you're ready to book your move is pending here. You can see it at the moment. Once you're all ready, we'll simply go ahead and message our sales agent. Perfect. Here is, you can just message him from your account, which is super convenient. All right. Now you can just be short. I'm ready to book my move. Send. Okay, and shortly, whenever our sales agent sees the message, this here should go from pending to not booked. Awesome. Okay, so once you're ready, you have all your details, you can simply proceed to book your move. This is the confirmation page, and these are all the details of your move. This is the time of arrival of the movers. Movers usually call 1 to 2 hours before they will arrive to let you know. This is the crew size, how many movers you'll have, truck, what is the time they should the estimated job should take, your move should take, and this is the estimated price here. Down here are the terms and policies. Make sure you read everything, you understand, and you agree with the company's policy. You will have everything here. This is your inventory details, and here is the deposit you would need to pay. Your deposit is here $120. Simply check off the box that you agree, click on pay deposit. And this is a page you need to sign. You can simply do it with your mouse. You just need to do a left click of the mouse, something I'll show you. All right, here we go. Save. That means you agreed with everything, you signed it, and simply you can put in your credit card number, expiration date, the three digits in the back, and click pay your deposit, and that will be all. You will get, after that, you will get confirmation email stating that your deposit was paid. You will get your confirmation page with all of your moving details, and that is how easily you can just book your move online. Once again, this is a great, amazing tool that saves you time. If you're busy and you will just have you would like to book your move by yourself, you want to be in charge of the moving inventory, all the details, this is a great way to go about it. Thank you.